Hey!
Just imagine. You know, say rain dey fall. You enter inside erosion.
That's the compact. That can hit you, isn't it?
The bike don't fall. You don't see the man.
You don't go. God.
Erosion not carry am. Door is shining. The government is working. Look at the man. Erosion not carry am. Look at the man. Door is shining. Help am, bro.
That guy power go finish. Hey!
You see erosion like this, erosion Opoji road. From Opoji junction, if you are going to Uyele, this is when this incident happened. The road is very bad. Edo is shining. The governor is working. Very good.
Hey, see person. I pay me na small. Hey! See person. Hey, see another one. Sit back. Hey, see me. See people. Where's the man? Where's the man? Go on, where's the man? Where's the man? Where's the man? Hey. The man don't go. My guy, hey. See, erosion don't carry that man go. The man don't go. Hey! Jesus! See the man back. Hey! Lift the bag! As the bag don't hook! Hey! That man don't go. Now the man got the bag. Hey! See the man back. Hey! Hey! Where you go back? God. Oh, no be smart, yo. That man don't go. Erosion don't carry the man go. See the man back. Erosion don't carry that man go. Erosion don't carry and go. God, may God help that man. Now your guy back. That man don't die, oh. Water get power, oh. That man don't go. Make that man not go hit his head for stone. As this is just the car and they go so.